Hi everyone, my name is Rabis Nabusi. We will talk about the unit circle, angle and angle measurement. In geometry, an angle is defined as the union of the two non-collinear points with common endpoint. The definition is to take the angle measured between and 180 degree exclusive. The initial position of the ray referred to as the initial side of the angle, and the position of the ray at the end of its rotation will be called terminal side of the angle. The arrow is point at the terminal side, the end point of the ray is the vertex of the angle. Example 25 degree